monetize your knowledge now.
I am a fan. How did you become such a great football player?
Thank you. It's a good question. As a kid, I spent countless hours with the ball at my feet, imagining playing alongside my heroes. It wasn't easy. Overcoming obstacles and doubts required resilience and hard work. But it's the love for the game, the relentless pursuit of improvement, and the support from my family and team that shaped me into the player I am today. Remember, greatness is crafted day by day, dream by dream.